Okay, I've got the Brigii versus the Ofuzzi. So the Brigii handheld vacuum, I'd say the biggest difference between these two is the attachments and the fact that the Brigii blows and sucks, where the Ofuzzi, it only sucks, but it sucks pretty good. So, thank you. I'd like to thank these companies for sending these to me to review. I really, really do appreciate it. They're both fantastic. I love to have one stashed in my car and one stashed in my office because, you know, grandkids and all. So, okay, so the Brigii has these kind of cool different, it's got kind of, this one's great for the car because it's got the, like this kind of bendy attachment, which is great because I can get down into the edges and into the spots that I always kind of can't get into in the car. And then it's got this other kind of groovy one, which goes like this, all the way up, all the way down. So you've got the 2-in-1 here, whether it's the brush or it's just the straight edge there, which is kind of nice for corners and stuff like that. And then you also have this guy, which is kind of like a suction one. So it's going to kind of suction down into things and pull up from there. So that's pretty cool. That's the Brigii. Now we've got the Ofuzzi, and this is the Ofuzzi. It's a little bit more heavy or duty or of a motor, so it's a little bit stronger. And then you've got these other attachments. So you also have the brush attachment, and then you've also got this regular straight edge attachment like that. Then you also have this kind of brush attachment. So this is great for the car for getting up dog hair and stuff like that. You've got the brush on both sides. This is also great for dog hair. Check this out. You've got these little, right? So I guess it just depends on what you like. Both of them come with a great little bag that you can carry them, so you don't have to hang out with the boxes. Both of them come with the cord, so you've got a USB to a USB-C cable. So yeah, so that is that's the Brigii and the Ofuzzi.